Order number 9, motion.
Honourable members, before we proceed, I have the pleasure and privilege to announce to the Assembly the presence of members of the staff sitting at the public gallery. I expect them to be upstanding to acknowledge that. Those are members of the County Assembly. And at the same time, honourable members, I've got members at the Speaker's gallery. These members at the Speaker's gallery, honourable members, are special guests for this occasion, given the background that we have a brother to our departed member by the name John Katua, who is a brother. I happened to have met him yesterday at the hospital. My brother received our utmost words of condolences and feel utmost welcome within the precincts of the Assembly. We also have Sylvester Owiti, who is also a brother. We have Joel Katua, who is an uncle. We have Nelson Amendi, who is the PA ambassador, PA to Munuve. He also holds the title of ambassador. Thank you. We have Jeremiah Musili, who is a cousin. We have Dennis Njogu, who is brother-in-law. We have Michael Njogu, brother-in-law. We have Odongo Achieng, who is the PA and ward manager. We have Mary Wafula, who is a friend. We have Peter Washira, a friend. And we have Ben Odhiambo as a friend. Thank you for finding time to come. Okay, the leader of majority. Majority leader, please. I've been notified of other family members who have just come in. We have Christine Makima, the sister to our brother Munuve. We have Nelias Waidera, a friend. We have Margaret Oti, a friend. We have Rachel Michelle, sister. We have Noel Wafula, sister. We have Margaret Wafula, sister. Thank you. Honourable members, you may proceed and take your positions. Honourable Majority Leader, please can you proceed with motion number 9?
Speaker, in respect, I will seek your indulgence, Honourable Speaker, in respect to our late brother, that before I move this motion of adjournment and tribute respect to our fallen brother, if you allow me, Honourable Speaker, it's due to grant that we have a minute of silence together with the family, so that it's a tribute to our brother. Honourable Speaker.
Honourable members, the request is granted. For that reason, let's be upstanding and observe 1 minute silence. Thank you.
Thank you, Speaker, members of the County Assembly, the family of our fallen brother Joel Munuve, members of the County Assembly staff, led by our able clerk and deputy clerks present, our members of the Fourth Estate who've served with us, with Joel Munuve. Honorable Speaker, allow me to move the motion. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move the following motion. That aware, the Honorable Speaker, the Assembly sitting held on Tuesday, 22nd April 2025, conveyed the unfortunate news of the demise of the Hon Joel Munuve, MCA, member of County Assembly for Kariobangi North Ward, who collapsed and passed away in the morning of Tuesday, 22nd April 2025. Now, therefore, pursuant to the provision of Standing Order number 34, this Assembly resolved to adjourn today's sitting, 23rd April 2025 sitting, to enable members of the County Assembly to pay tribute and eulogize with the family, friends, residents of Kariobangi North and Nairobi County as a whole. Honorable Speaker, as I move this unprecedented motion of adjournment, allow me to say a few words. Number one, the life we live today is before the hands of God, as well placed before by the Holy Book, the Bible, that there is time for everything in life. But what we could not know, Honorable Speaker, that this afternoon we could be eulogizing a friend and a colleague and a brother to many, as we've just mentioned, friends, relatives and brothers, that seat at the far corner will be empty today. Honorable Speaker, and all members of the County Assembly, all present between this gallery, I've always said this red carpet has received news that are pleasant to your eyes and ears, and also received news that are not good to our ears and our eyes. And one of the worst news is this one. That in the morning, Robert Alai called myself. After 5 minutes, our brother Joel Munuve was no more. To the family of Joel Munuve, life is a journey. At 46 years only, we didn't expect this, all of us. But the wise man by the name God, who we don't know how he looks, but we know his presence, has a reason for everything. God designs the day and the night, and every human being in life has his time for the day and a time for the night. And the wisdom of God in his own wisdom, one of the things that God concealed to all humanity, at what time, if Munuve could have known that that morning, as he called the driver to pick him, that he'll be no more, maybe he could have not left the house. That's a secret God has given to us. Personally, Munuve is one of the members of the County Assembly. He was not within my party because he was an independent member of County Assembly, whose purview is basically organized by the Speaker. But I remember vividly well when we elected the Speaker of Nairobi 1, Ken Ngondi, seated before you. Munuve chose the sides and said, I belong to the side of a revolution. And indeed, Munuve was a revolutionarist. Since Munuve was sworn in this house, he has never relented on this revolution movement until his demise. Munuve promised myself, who was the chief campaigner for the Speaker, and my whip, that I'll deliver my vote to Ken, despite having been called as independent candidate to do otherwise. For that, the family of Munuve will respect him for having a stand, especially standing by us, the Azimio coalition, irrespective, he was an independent member of the County Assembly. To my colleagues, I know we've lost a friend, especially those who worked with him on a daily basis, the likes of Robert Alai, Nicholas Okwacho, Nasra Nandra, and the rest. He was a good friend to us and to all of us. We may pretend that we know what the family feels, but indeed we don't know. It's only God who will help you a hand and to accept the reality that Joel is no more. And I hope all of us, it should be written to us, all of us, as the Kiswahili word says, sisi sote ni maiti tarajiwa. Today you are up, the next minute you're not there. And there is no formula of death. Death is death. If it's your time, it's your time. As the Bible says, prepare and count your days, because you don't know what time it knocks on you. The Bible says, prepare and count your days properly. Honorable Speaker, allow me without much more ado to welcome my counterpart, the leader of minority, to give his remarks and second the motion.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I want to be able to be elected 3 times. And I remember we had a very lengthy discussion with him, and I actually gave him a secret of making the streets of Kariobangi North brighter. And I can tell you, Honorable Speaker, that I had an ongoing project of making Waithaka brighter, but I had